there. So I thought I would share a comparison between this table, this long one for a grilling area, as well as this table. Now this one is able to be folded up and actually, traveled with, as well as the griddle that I have on top of it. And that would be great if you're like a traveling camper. Now, I'm not necessarily a traveling camper, but I do like the idea of having different places to store my food or even my cooking. And so this griddle actually fits on this table as well, only I would make sure to put down a non-skid pad. And the reason I mention that is because if you had a griddle and also a tabletop grill, you could actually store both of those on the top of this table if you wanted to cook side by side. On those two different appliances. Whereas right now I have to swap my griddle with my grill on this small table. So if you're looking for some more storage space or more tabletop space to do outdoor cooking on, I think this table would be a great option versus buying two of these, or and that can get kind of expensive too. And some fun features with this one, it has wheels on all four legs. This one only has wheels on two. This one does have a storage basket for condiments. It does already have the non-stick or slip pad. It also has handles and obviously a carrying handle, along with like a beer opener or bottle opener, and then a magnet here for your cooking utensils if you want to store them on there. So obviously the only real big benefit to this one is it's higher, and the fact that you could put 2 units on it instead of 1. So just thought I would share my comparison.